welcome to kiddrawsfun. I'm going to teach you how to draw a black cat sleeping. I'm drawing this, and I need pencils, paper, and something to color, and sharpeners, and this eraser. Let's draw this oval shape. I'm going to start here. Some ears for the cat. I'm drawing nose. They connect here. And let's draw the mouth. Let's add some eyelashes. Our cat sleeping. We finished the head of the black cat. Now we're going to draw a leg. Like this. And this. Just three. Now I'm drawing another leg. Like this. One. Now I'm starting here. It's here. Now we're going to connect here. Let's draw the tail like this. Okay, I finished drawing my black cat sleeping. Yay! Let's color. I'm using pink first. It's very cute cat. I'm using pink for the nose, pink for the ears, and pink for the paws. Now, I didn't fast forward with this one, and I'm going to fast forward with this color black. If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.